Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to report a job offer in Indeed job search. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look for a job now. And once that is done, you will be able to find many jobs here. And if there is a suspicious job offer that you feel like it is illegal or it is worthy of reporting, you can just press on it, scroll all the way down and press on report job. And you can just select the reason why you want to report it. You can enter here the additional information and press on submit, and you will be able to report that job offer. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.